everyone, Nancy with our treasure hunt, and welcome to the back to the channel. Oh my goodness gracious. That was funny. Oh goodness. Sometimes you just get tongue-tied. I'm doing this meal call by myself just because she's having fun. But anyway, I wanted to share with y'all something how can I put this? It's a way for me to get things that help me study the Bible, but also, a blessing. Chapstick. To me, because I had lost so many books and stuff years ago and everything, and I was like, I was disappointed and sad about it. I was like, how am I going to get those back? Because those were days when I was working, I could purchase the books and everything. And talking about how the Lord restores what you lost, what the devil stole from you, God will restore double in quantity and quality. I'm telling you, he does. And I have to remind myself he does. I have to remind myself that he will and he does every single day. Now, that might be me physically, and I'm good with that. Yes, I found the lipstick. I can't help that. I guess it was the way I was taught growing up. But he does restore, and I have to remind myself every day that he does. And that has to thrill your soul to know that he will. So what has been a blessing to me is I watched Joseph Prince and Joyce Meyer and Charles Stanley. There's some others. There's oh my goodness, I am not forgetful. I keep saying that to myself. I am not forgetful. Tony Evans is another preacher. T.D. Jakes is another one. Elevation Church. But there's some that, like Joseph Prince and Joel Osteen and Joyce Meyer. Tony Evans once in a while, but, well, yes, Tony Evans, because I have his stuff also. When they have their books or DVDs for any amount of donation, I could only do $1, and I'm like, just to have that. I have the Bible, but also the teaching that shows me more about the Bible. I'm really excited. So the other week when the smoke alarm went off at 4 o'clock in the morning, I'm just like, no, not again. We still never figured it out. We don't know if it was dust or whatever it was. So, but with this mail call, I had to put that in because to explain. But as I'm doing Bible time and everything, we're going through the names of God, and then we'll go through the names of Jesus. I have other things that I want to share and do, so I might be doing a whole lot more. This one is the study of the power of Proverbs. Better Decisions, Better Life. It's a 31 guided journal. 31-day guided journal. I wanted to start this on the 1st, and I picked it up, I read the first, and I have not read any more days. But I was like, oh, I would love to go through this with everybody. The book of Proverbs. Oh my goodness. We all know that so many Proverbs. And yeah, it comes and it goes. This is something I got through Pathway to Victory. Now, I don't know if they still do this or not, but this is beautiful. Oh my goodness. It lists everything. It lists, you know, like Bethlehem, Egypt, the preparation, the proclamation, the passion, and then the post-resurrection. And then it has this map also on it. So I was like, I'm so exciting to have this and everything. And I had put a lot of stuff away, you know. It's like, we got the bookshelves because we didn't have room for the books. And now I do. And I'm just like, oh my goodness, if I could see my collection. Oh, yeah. What I have. And I was like, oh, I just want to go through this with everybody. And then the miracle, your miracle is in your mouth. We have this one, stay in the game. Stay in the game, don't give up. And then I thought I had the Philippians, but I have the book. But Joyce Meyer's The Bible Study of Colossians and Bible Study of James. Okay, you need that blanket? You're fine. Come here. Would you like to open this up for me?
Sure.
How about right here?
Yeah.
Sweet. There we go. You can pull it out?
Yeah.
All right. And this I got from In Touch Ministries with Dr. Stanley. And this is Walking by Faith Principles. This is free. Bible reading plan. This is free. And even though I'm been saved, but now that you believe, and it's like I'm believing all over again. So, and this has 40 days in there, and I was like, oh, just so many things, exciting new things to share with everybody. And, you know, we can learn together, and I'll share with y'all what the Lord has shown me and what He's teaching me. So, new and exciting things coming, and, you know, we're getting to the meat of the Word. I think sometimes we need to move on from babes of getting the milk and start getting the meat of the Word. And I think we have got plenty. So, that is what this mail call is all about. You know, like I said, I can show y'all so many books, and we can go through so many things, and just going to do one day at a time, and we'll see what the Lord leads and does. You know, so very excited to start some new things and more mail. So, like I said, go check them out. You know, it doesn't hurt if you can only do $1 to get some teaching of the Bible so you can understand. Because like I said, for years, you know, when we knew that we had the Bible, we could read it, but nobody was telling me how to understand it. Now I am. So exciting. So, I hope you enjoyed this mail call, because it was totally different than what you thought. If you haven't liked, subscribe, ring the bell for notifications, and we'll see you next time on our treasure home. And yes, there are links down below. There's links underneath my nose, links in the bio page. Check them out. The Etsy store and the bonfire. And well, if I'm not tongue-tied anymore. See y'all next time. Y'all have a wonderful day.